Here's the April HVAC question number 2. Okay, a mechanic measures a suction line temperature of 59 degrees and a pressure of 135 psi at the compressor suction on a 410A system. The condition at the compressor suction is A, subcooled, B, saturated, C, superheated, D, can't tell. I picked superheated, and let me show you why. So I went to my ESCO Institute PT diagram. I looked up 410A and I found 135, which is between 132-ish and 138-ish, okay? And I went over here to the temperature. So the temperature should be about 47 degrees. Since the temperature is 59 degrees, I picked superheated. How did I do? Tell me how I did.